Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am bringing you my take on a Valentine's Day makeup look. I am so excited because I think it turned out so beautiful, and I love that I played with a lot of color, which, by the way, is one of my goals for this year. I really want to bring you guys more color on my channel, so I hope that you're excited for that. If you are, and you like this video, you might as well go ahead and give it a thumbs up while you're here. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I have no idea why you wouldn't. I'm absolutely a delight, and I post new videos every week. Come on now. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you want to see how I created it, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, starting off with the third transition shade inside the Morphe 39A palette, we are of course going to take this on a large fluffy brush and pop this on as our very first transition shade. Next, I'm going in with a slightly smaller brush and this orangey looking color, and we're going to pop that on slightly lower than the very first color. And because I'm doing a halo eye today, we're going to focus this as well on the inner and outer corner, much more heavy than I normally would. And then I'm going in with this beautiful magenta color, and I'm going to put that directly on top of that orangey looking shade. Again, really focusing it on the inner and outer corners as well. And just really take your time and make sure you're really blending these colors in this look since they are so bold. Next, I'm going to take my small defining brush and that deeper purpley looking color, and we're going to start focusing this just on the inner and outer corner and then into the crease, but just way lower than all the other shades we had used before, because I want it to be seamless, but in this color I do not want as blown out as the pink shade we just put down. And then of course just make sure you go back in and blend out all those edges. Now I'm going in with this pinky red shimmer shade and just using my finger, I'm going to pop that on the center of the lid, and you guys, look at that color. Oh my gosh, isn't it so pretty? It's so different looking. Oh my goodness. And then of course deepening up the inner and outer corners with the purple. And then of course blending out the edges, I'm using the very first transition shade here just to make everything look really seamless. And now I'm going to take the very deepest purple shade and I'm going to kind of do like a smoky liner look. I wanted to blend it on the top just so it helped my lashes blend a little bit better. And also because we're going to be putting this on the lower lash line, as you'll see later, it just kind of helps connect the entire eye look. Now we're going to be prepping lashes for falsies. I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Of course, that is my favorite. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Velour lashes in Whispie Sweet Nothings, which have definitely and quickly become one of my favorite pair of lashes ever. They're so beautiful. And then like I said, we're going to take that really deep purple shade and I'm going to push this right up as close as I can onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that pinky color, like the deeper purpley pink color that we use, and I'm just going to blend that out with my little brush. And then of course, same mascara on the lower lashes. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in the number 30, I guess like the shade medium technically. And I'm just using a stippling brush here, and I'm just stippling this on my cheeks, my forehead, down my neck to help my foundation blend a little bit better. I love using a stippling brush with this bronzer since it has no fallout, and I think it's just easier to kind of stamp it where you want to, and it makes it where you never can go overboard with this bronzer. It looks beautiful all the time this way. Next, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Hula bronzer and that Tarte brush that I have come to love so much. I'm just going to contour a little bit with it, just give my face a little bit more structure. Moving on to the Tarte Holiday Blush Palette, I'm using the shades Angelic and Fortunate mixed together, and we're just going to pop those on the cheeks, the inner portion of my cheeks, across the bridge of my nose. You guys know how I like to do this blush thing. And then next I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Whisp, and I'm just going to be using my Morphe sponge with that. And oh my gosh, you guys, first of all, this highlight is already stunning, but using the Beauty Blender technique to apply it, just made it look even more gorgeous. And I'm just popping that on everywhere. And then I also decided to take it and put it on my inner corner, and you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, and these things are like $5. So beautiful. Now, of course, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face down. I'm obsessed. I'm going to have to quickly order more bottles because I can't take it. And for lips, I'm first going to go in with Vite Beauty's Honeycomb lipstick. This is one of my favorite nude lips. And then I'm going to go directly on top of it with the Colourpop and Iluvsaraii gloss in the shade Curvii. And I am packing it all over. And it's funny, for someone who doesn't love gloss, I really love this one. So, yeah. Anyways, you guys, this is the completed makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a very lovely Valentine's Day with your special someone. And yeah, if you do recreate this look, tag me so I can see it. I love you, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!